Navigating to the run results overview. Results for both active and historical runs can be viewed in the Samsara Cloud dashboard. After visiting cloud.samsara.com, click on Vision in the top left corner to be brought to your organization's overview page. All active runs will be displayed on this page. Selecting one will bring up details for that run, including pass and fail rates, number of items inspected, performance metrics for each inspection tool, and details around every single inspection. If you want to diagnose why inspections are failing, select the Hide Successful toggle to look only at results that were rejected or not passed. After selecting an inspection, you can deep dive into the various inspection steps to determine what caused the failure and what remedial action is required. To view historical runs, click on Run History in the left-hand sidebar. All completed runs will be displayed on this page with the most recent runs listed first by default. Runs can be further filtered using the search bar, drop-down lists, any column header, or the date range selector in the top right corner. To view details about any historical run, simply find the run you're looking for and click into it for the same metrics we saw earlier with active runs. Both the overview and run history pages make it easy to monitor run performance across lines based on key metrics such as runtime, total inspected items, and pass and fail rates. Notes can also be added to each run for further tracking and comparison purposes.